Deep insights into WealthMentor.AI negotiation prompts. WealthMentor.AI's negotiation prompts are designed to empower real estate investors with actionable strategies, tailored scripts, and real-time guidance to navigate complex negotiations confidently and effectively. These prompts leverage Terry Bontemps-proven methodologies to help users secure favorable terms, maximize profitability, and build lasting relationships with sellers, banks, contractors, and other stakeholders. Below are detailed insights into how these negotiation prompts work and their transformative impact. 1. Purpose of negotiation prompts. Confidence building. Provide users with pre-built scripts and strategies to approach negotiations assertively and professionally. Dynamic adaptation. Tailor advice based on the user's goals, experience level, and the specific negotiation scenario. Of outcome optimization. Focus on achieving win-win solutions that align with the user's financial objectives and Terry's methodologies. 2. Types of negotiation scenarios covered. A. Seller negotiations. Motivated sellers. Prompts help users identify seller pain points, e.g., foreclosure, financial distress, and craft solutions that benefit both parties. Price reduction. Guides users on how to negotiate lower purchase prices while maintaining profitability. Repair credits. Suggests strategies for securing repair credits or concessions to reduce upfront costs. B. Bank negotiations. Defaulted notes. Prompts provide scripts for negotiating discounts on defaulted bank notes. Bulk REO transactions. Tailored advice for negotiating bulk purchases of real estate-owned properties. Loan modifications. Strategies for restructuring loans to help homeowners avoid foreclosure, while ensuring profitability for the investor. C. Contractor negotiations. Cost reduction. Prompts help users negotiate lower repair costs or secure bulk discounts for materials and labor. Payment terms. Offers strategies for negotiating favorable payment schedules, such as milestone-based payments. D. Buyer negotiations. Wholesaling deals. Prompts guide users on negotiating with cash buyers to flip properties quickly for profit. Investor partnerships. Strategies for negotiating terms in joint ventures or partnerships. Creative financing. Seller financing. Prompts help users negotiate terms for deals where the seller provides financing instead of a traditional bank loan. Lease options. Tailored advice for negotiating lease-to-own agreements. F. Risk mitigation. Contingency clauses. Prompts suggest including clauses to protect against unexpected risks or unfavorable terms. Walkaway strategies. Advice on when and how to exit negotiations that don't align with profitability goals. 3. How negotiation prompts work. A. Data input. Users input specific details about the negotiation scenario, such as property type, seller motivations, and financial goals. Example. Input the property value, repair costs, and seller's urgency to sell. B. Script generation. The AI generates tailored negotiation scripts based on the user's inputs and Terry's methodologies. Example. Generate a script for negotiating a $200,000 property with a motivated seller. C. Real-time guidance. Prompts provide dynamic advice during live negotiations, helping users respond to objections, counteroffers, and changing circumstances. Example. Suggest a counteroffer strategy if the seller rejects the initial offer. D. Feedback and learning. After the negotiation, prompts offer feedback on the user's performance, highlighting strengths and areas for improvement. Example. Your negotiation was successful, but consider emphasizing repair credits in future discussions. 4. Benefits of negotiation prompts. A. Confidence building. Pre-built scripts and actionable advice empower users to approach negotiations assertively and professionally. Real-time guidance ensures users feel supported throughout the negotiation process. B. Risk reduction. Prompts help users identify and address potential risks, such as unfavorable terms or hidden costs. Contingency strategies protect users from financial losses. See tailored insights. Prompts adapt to the user's goals, preferences, and experience level, ensuring personalized advice. Dynamic adjustments during negotiations help users stay flexible and effective. D. Outcome optimization. Focuses on achieving win-win solutions that align with the user's financial objectives and Terry's methodologies. Helps users secure favorable terms, maximize profitability, and build lasting relationships. 5. Advanced applications. Bulk transactions. Prompts guide users through high-stakes negotiations, such as flipping bulk REO properties to hedge funds. Example: negotiate terms for flipping 10 REO properties to an institutional buyer. B. Creative solutions. Suggests innovative approaches, such as combining seller financing with lease-to-own agreements. Example: negotiate a hybrid financing deal for a $300,000 property. C. Predictive analytics. Uses historical and real-time data to forecast negotiation outcomes and recommend strategies. Example: predict the likelihood of success for a counteroffer based on market trends. 6. Real-world examples. Seller negotiation. Prompt: negotiate a $200,000 property with a motivated seller facing foreclosure. Output: tailored script emphasizing the seller's urgency and offering solutions like covering closing costs. B. Bank negotiation. Prompt: negotiate a discount on a $100,000 defaulted bank note. Output: script focusing on the bank's need to offload non-performing assets and offering a win-win solution. C. Contractor negotiation. Prompt: negotiate repair costs for a property needing $50,000 in renovations. Output: script suggesting bulk discounts and milestone-based payments. 7. User experience. Interactive learning. Users engage with prompts in a conversational format, making negotiations intuitive and practical. B. Real-time feedback. Prompts provide instant feedback during negotiations, helping users refine their strategies and improve decision-making. C. Gamified features. Includes achievement badges and progress tracking, encouraging continuous learning and engagement. 8. Integration with other tools. AI chatbot. Works alongside the chatbot to provide real-time support and guidance during negotiations. Example: ask the chatbot to suggest a counteroffer strategy for the given scenario. B. Wealth Playbook. Integrates with Terry's Wealth Playbook, offering additional resources like negotiation scripts and case studies. Example: refer to the Wealth Playbook for tips on negotiating with banks. C. Market data platforms. Pulls real-time data from platforms like Zillow, Redfin, or MLS to enhance negotiation strategies. Example: use market data to validate the seller's asking price. Conclusion: WealthMentor. AI's negotiation prompts are a transformative tool for real estate investors, offering tailored scripts, real-time guidance, and actionable strategies. By simplifying complex negotiations and providing personalized advice, these prompts empower users to secure favorable terms, maximize profitability, and build lasting relationships. Whether negotiating with sellers, banks, contractors, or buyers, WealthMentor. AI's negotiation prompts provide the support needed to succeed in any scenario.